Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix File Explorer search not working on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix File Explorer search not working on Windows 10 computer, right click on taskbar, click on Task Manager. Now scroll down. Here you will find Windows Explorer. Right click on Windows Explorer and then click on Restart. Windows Explorer has been restarted. Close Task Manager. Hope your problem has been fixed. If your problem is still continuing, you have to go for second solution. Insert type File Explorer options. Click on File Explorer options. Click on View tab. Scroll down. You will find an option here, launch folder Windows in a separate process. Click here to select it. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now hopefully your problem has been solved. If your problem is still persist, go for the third and final way. In search, type services. Right click on services. Click on run as administrator. Now scroll down. Here you will find Windows Search. Right click on Windows Search and click on Properties. You have to stop Windows Search Services. In Startup Type, click on the drop down and select Automatic and then click on Start to start service again. Now click on Apply, then OK. Close services. Hope File Explorer not working problem has been solved on your Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.